Hi, John Lampe from Green Shoots. In this video, I'm going to explain how to kill tough weeds without killing prized plants. The technology I'll be focusing on is our Green Shoots Precision Foam Weed Killer Kit. I will show you why our kit is the most precise weed killing system on the market today. Why is precision so important? It has been estimated that less than 0.1% of pesticides actually reach their target pest. Clearly, existing herbicide application systems are not precise. Here's foam weed killer applied to a cut stump of a small weed tree using our small foam herbicide dispenser. Precision is key because right next to that cut stump is a clump of thriving native grasses. You definitely want to protect that desirable plant. Here, as in the following slides, I applied glyphosate. Glyphosate will kill most any green plant it touches. In this application of foam herbicide, the thistle was killed, but the grasses unharmed. Here is a tangle of crown vetch in a planting bed. Crush and bend the stem and apply a little foam weed killer to the bent stem of the crown vetch. You will get a complete kill with no damage to nearby desirable plants. Here, I applied foam weed killer to a cut stump of invasive buckthorn. 1 year later, the stump is dead with no resprouts. Our 3-piece kit is an incredible value. The chemical in this kit will treat over 250 cut stumps of 3 inches in diameter, or thousands of foliar-based treatments.